See, and this is where I have a problem when it comes to the whole prosperity teaching. Because there was formulas and you just had to stick to the formula. And if you stick to the formula, all God become is a vending machine. And I've spoken about this way back. You know how a vending machine works, eh? You look at that menu and it says Coca-Cola. 10 rand, whatever. You put your 10 rand in to the machine. And then you look over there and you see, oh, there's B12. And then you press the B12. And then that thingy, that squiggly thing starts to turn and bloop, out falls your chocolate or your Coke or whatever. But, I don't know if you, at our vending machine at university, on the right-hand side, there was no more paint. Because if you didn't want to take your coin, you take that coin and you rub it on the machine. And then you put it in. And then most of the time, then it works. But you first had to rub that machine as if it's a genie. And then, a lot of times, the money went in, but that squiggly thing didn't want to squiggle. Dan klap jy hom. Then you whack the machine, you shake the machine and the lamp goes off. But why do you clap it and why do you shake it? Because you paid your money. You pressed B12. And that Coke or that piece of chocolate must come out. And that's how we handle God sometimes. Because you name it, frame it, and claim it, brother. And we've been taught this. We rub him. We can't say we clap him because we're Christians, but we shake him. And we throw our spiritual tantrums because I did put my money in, I did press, I did do what Scripture says, I did do what the pastors say, and nothing comes out. There's nothing, and God does not step into my situation. I want to tell you today, God is not a vending machine. You can have all your formulas right. If the timing is not right, nothing is going to happen.